a sunset that doesn't rush. At the first, I'm seem simple, calm, soft light, quite present, but the longer someone looks, the more color starts to appear. There's warmth in you, there's like golden light at the end of the day, mixed with hints of boldness and creativity that show up unexpectedly, like strikes of orange and pink across the sky. I'm not loud about who I am. Instead, I reveal myself gradually, layer by layer, through the things you create, the ideas I explore, and the way I refine them until they feel just right. And like a sunset, you live an I leave an expression that stays even after the moment passes, subtle, thoughtful, and quietly unforgettable. Thank you, ma'am. I'm Karen Dave J. Santiago from Block 19.